I have here a BMI calculator that I found at a American website. It's the US Department of Health and Human Services. I thought we could make this calculator in C++. So it works like you enter your height and then your weight in kilograms, and then you press the button compute and you get a number. So, and then you need to look at the table. So if the number is, for me it was 26.6, then it says I'm overweight. So I wanted to try to make this in C++. So we'll start by just going to Visual Studio and File, a new project. And we will pick the Windows 32 console application in Visual C++. And we will call the project BML calculator. And here we will just click finished. And this is our empty project. So first thing I will do is just to make this program pause at the end. Is to write system pause. So it will make the program not quit. And I will also include the header files that we're going to use. And we are going to use the IO stream, the string, and the namespace std today. If you're not familiar with Visual Studio, this is all the header files that we include to make the program work. And inside this int main is where we write our code. And to run the program, we just click the local Windows debugger or press F5. So this is the program that we have so far. It's not much, but we will try to make a bit better. First we will declare the variables we need. So I will tell you a bit about BMI. It has a formula that is BMI equals height. I have to look up the formula. BMI formula. Wikipedia is always a great place for formulas. Yeah, mass divided by height squared. So it's mass divided by height times height. So what we need is to have the variables that we're going to have from the user. It's the mass, so I will call it m. I will also have the height. So what we have done here is to declare two variables, m and h. I will now ask the user to put in some information into the two variables. I will first write a message that it's welcome to the program, so I will use the cout. Welcome to BMI calculator. Please enter your data. And so this was a welcome message. Here is the ask for the user information. So the cout is the command for writing text to the screen. So if we run it like now, it will just have 2 messages on screen. Welcome to BMI calculator, please enter your data. And now we can ask for the mass data. Your mass in kilogram. And it will say now please enter your data, your mass in kilogram, and we want after your mass in kilogram the user to enter a number. So for it we'll use the Cin. And as you can see, when I write Cin and M, it gets an error because I think I need to move these the other way around, because you're writing it into the in variable, the M variable with Cin. So just to confirm that it's correct, we can write Cout then, and your mass was M kilogram. So let's try to run this program. It will ask for the mass in kilogram and then write out what the user wrote. Enter your mass in kilogram, 85. Your mass was 85 kilo. So we will now ask for the height. For height in centimeter. Say in H. So now we have asked for the mass in kilogram, and we have asked for the height in centimeter. Now we can use a formula to calculate the BMI. So double BMI equals mass over H multiplied H. And then we can write the number for the user. Cout, your BMI is BMI. So we ask for the mass in kilogram, we ask for the height in centimeter, and then we use a double BMI and take the M, the mass from the user, and divide it by H squared. Then we write out the result. So let's try to run it, and let's try to use the same numbers as I used in the other calculator here. I used in 184 and 90. So mass in kilogram was 90 and centimeter 184. And as you can see, I got a strange result there. I got 0.002. And as you can see, the height here should be in meters. So my problem is that I put it in centimeter. So centimeter to meter. So 1 centimeter is 0.001 meter. So back to our program. To handle the problem where you enter the weight in kilogram and the height in centimeter, and then it gives you a number that is way too low. It should be 26.5. We need to convert the centimeter into meter. So convert centimeter into meter. And this is done by using the H variable and dividing it with 100. because h is now centimeter, but to get it into meter we just divide it by 100. So we will try it now. We will enter mass 90 and height 194, and then we get 26.5. And 26.5 is the same number as we got in our American government website. So here you have the C++ BMI calculator. I hope that you learned something today, and you can continue with the if and else statements. So the if and else statement can really help you by expanding this program to maybe writing the categories also. But if you are in between here, you're overweight. If you're here, you're normal weight, and if you're here, you're underweight, and obesity is 30 or greater. So next topic in the C++ tutorial will be the if statements.